Hey, what's up guys, this is ABD back with another iOS 15 feature updates. As you know that in iOS 15 weather app received a major update. One of those features is to receive notification when rain or snow is starting or stopping. Now on iOS 15 weather app you can enable notification that will alert you when it's going to rain, snow or hail in the next hour in your location or another location that you have added to the weather app. So if you want to get notification about the weather in your current location, you will first need to give the weather app permission to always access your location. So let's go to the setting app, then scroll down and tap on weather. Then go to location, set the location to always. Now let's enable the weather notification by going to the weather app of your iPhone. Tap on the bullet list icon at the right bottom corner. Then tap on three dots and tap on notifications. Now you can enable the locations that you would like to receive notifications for. Then tap on done. Apple has revealed that only users in Ireland and UK and US will be able to get the next hour precipitation notifications on their iPhones. Remember that you will need to allow access to the location if you want to get notification about your current location. Now you will receive notifications on your iPhone wherever rain or snow is starting or stopping. So that's all for this video. Go ahead, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe for more such videos. Now I will see you on the next one. Peace.